Hello, all. This is Abhilash. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about business intelligence. So first, let's understand what is business intelligence. So business intelligence is the process, technology, and tool that help us change data into information, information into knowledge, and knowledge into plans that guide organization to take appropriate decision. Technology for gathering, storing, analyzing, and providing access to data to help enterprises users make better business decisions. So business intelligence combines business analytics, data mining, data visualization, data tool and infrastructure and best practices to help organizations to make more data driven decisions. In practice, you have got modern business intelligence when you have a comprehensive view of your organization's data and use that data to drive change, eliminate inefficiencies, and quickly adapt to market or supply changes. So, why is the business intelligence important? So, business intelligence is the strategy and technology used by companies to analyze data and business information. In more simple terms, it allows businesses to learn about any process or trend affecting performance, why things are happening, and what is likely to occur in the future. A key factor in business intelligence is technology and being able to create business intelligence dashboards. The right business intelligence solutions will reveal more actionable data, provide clear insights, and facilitate strategic decision making. So that's why business intelligence is important to run a business or to improve a business process. Next, drivers of BI. The ability of BI solution to help produce better business decisions via timely, accurate and more comprehensive analysis of available corporate information assets. Second, the ability of BI to identify growth opportunities. Third, drivers of BI, the ability of BI to reduce cost and wastage by identifying areas of high expenditure, operational efficiencies, operational inefficiencies, and analyzing transactional records. These three drivers are important. Okay, based on these three drivers only, any organization can take a decision to run their business smoothly. On the other hand, the other drivers included the ability of BI to help underpin strategic adjustment in real time, identify risks and threats, increase customer profitability, improve and measure workplace productivity by employee, department or function. Last one, improve operational and supply chain efficiencies. Next, general process of BI. Well, for gathering information, the company are doing some marketing stuffs. They will get feedback from customer while selling their products. Okay. So first point of the general process of BI is data gathering. First, any person, any employee has to gather the customers' data, what they like, what they feel about their product, and all. All data once comes at the one place, and that information change into technology. Like we can like one company can keep that data in software that is called data storage. In other hand, we can call the database, and all after all these things, company has to do some analysis on that data and on that data, right? So that is called a data management. So like after doing some customer segmentations, after doing separate analysis of data, they will have a no, management of data that is called a knowledge management. Next, characteristics of BI. Single point of access to information, that is called database at the one point. Timely answers to business questions. All organizations is having questions with their goals they have set goals for their company, right? So third one is using BI in all departments of organization. Why is this important? Using BI in all departments to improve their quality, to improve their performance, employee performance, to improve their business process. That's why BI is good to use in all departments. These three are important characteristics of BI. Next, so why BI? Why we need BI? Why one organization is need BI in their company? So what BI is doing? BI is just gathering the data. Okay, they will do analysis on past data to present data. On the basis of analysis, they will take the decision. They will improve their quality of product. To improve quality of product, to take a appropriate business decision, to reduce the cost, to improve the performance of employee, to identify of change in trend, to provide better experience. That's why one organization need BI. Okay. Let's take example of Nokia. You all know that what happened in Nokia when trend changed in the market. People were more interested into new technology. When Android operation systems came in the market, that time Nokia is only focusing on Windows Phone production. Okay. Another example we can take a BlackBerry as well. You know that they were using their own OS, but people were interested in Android only, right? So why BI is important? On looking at past and present data, company can improve their quality. Company can look at the change of trend. On looking at the trend, they can change their business process, so they can be in a competition, or they can be in a business line for a long term. That's why company need BI in their organization. So this was all about business intelligence. Thank you all.